Top 3 features that make other Linux distros feel outdated. Fedora isn't just another Ubuntu alternative. For desktop users who want modern hardware support, stronger security, and safe system recovery without extra effort, this distro quietly pushes the Linux desktop forward. Here are 3 concrete features that explain why. Number 1. SE Linux enabled in enforcing mode by default, security by design. Fedora ships with security-enhanced Linux running in enforcing mode out of the box. That means processes are confined by mandatory access control, MAC, policies that describe exactly what each service is allowed to do, not just what the user who launched it can do. In practice, this turns many common post-exploit scenarios into dead ends. Even if a service is compromised, SE Linux limits its ability to read sensitive files, talk to unrelated services, or execute privileged actions unless the policy explicitly allows it. Over the years, Fedora's default policy set has been refined so that it's largely invisible to regular desktop users, while still providing a robust, system-wide containment layer. Number 2. Btrfs as the default file system. Snapshots, compression, safer upgrades. The desktop variants of the distro switched to Btrfs as the default file system, starting with Fedora 33. Btrfs brings copy-on-write semantics, transparent compression, ZSTD by default, and cheap, instantaneous file system snapshots. For everyday users, that translates to 2 big practical wins. Automatic space and speed benefits from compression, which can improve perceived performance on slower drives, and the ability to roll the system back after a bad update or configuration mistake, without reinstalling or hunting for backups. Those snapshot and rollback capabilities make system maintenance and recovery far less scary for desktop users who don't want to manage LVM snapshots or external backups manually. Number 3. Fast, modern updates with careful QA. Leading edge, not bleeding edge. The distro aims for a leading-edge experience, relatively fast adoption of new kernels, desktop environments, GNOME, KDE, and developer toolchains, so users get better hardware support and new features soon after they land upstream. That said, it avoids being a pure rolling release. Packages that enter the stable repositories go through Fedora's update and QA processes and are supported throughout the 13-month lifecycle of a release. The result is a sweet spot for desktop users who want new hardware to work out of the box. New laptops and GPUs often need recent kernels and drivers, without the instability risk of an unmanaged rolling distro. Short information. Most people try Ubuntu first, which is a great choice, but if you want a modern, secure desktop that stays current without constant tinkering, consider Fedora. First, it ships with SE Linux in enforcing mode, giving you mandatory access control that confines programs and limits the blast radius of any exploit. Second, Fedora's desktop editions use Btrfs by default, so your system benefits from transparent compression and fast file system snapshots you can use to roll back a bad update. Third, the distro follows a leading-edge update strategy. New kernels and desktop improvements arrive quickly to support modern hardware, but they go through Fedora's QA, so you're not on a dangerously bleeding-edge release. Put together, these choices make the Fedora desktop feel polished, modern, and resilient. A great balance for power users and curious newcomers alike.
Thanks for watching, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for daily videos. Bye.